What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit subtitles in video Clipchamp. So in Clipchamp, you can edit subtitles in video. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Clipchamp. After typing, you will see this first official website of Clipchamp. Click on this website and after that, you will be welcome to this dashboard of Clipchamp. So now if you want to sign in, with Clipchamp, just sign in with your email and password. But if you want to directly start and try it for free without signing in, just simply click on try for free and then you will be welcome to the homepage of Clipchamp. Now here, click on create a new video. And after that, just simply import your media. Now click on import media and then import the video that you want. So as you can see, I have inputted my video. I'll just select, drag and drop it here on the timeline. Now from here, I will click on audio and then I will click on detach audio. After clicking on detach audio, it will just save this audio on my computer. And after that, the audio and the video are differentiated. Now, after detaching the audio, click on captions, and after going to captions, it will tell you to generate auto captions with AI. Click on try now and then select which language is your throughout your project. You can select your own language. I am okay with English, United States. Click on transcribe media. After that, the AI will transcribe the audio and the video, and there you have it. You have your subtitles in your video with the video and the audio difference and the caption too. So this is how you can edit subtitles in video on Clipchamp. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.